Ocean Power Technologies will exhibit at Navdex in Abu Dhabi alongside local partner Rayma International Group. The event follows OPT's appointment of RIG as its distributor for defense and security solutions in the UAE last year. At the event, they will offer live demonstrations of their WAM-V unmanned surface vehicles, equipped with underwater sensors and capable of aerial drone integration, along with other capabilities including next-generation powerbuoy and AI-capable Maros. Then recently, PureCycle Technologies Churchill Container partnered to produce a line of cups and buckets made with up to 100% post-consumer recycled content, using PureCycle's Pure 5 resin. The Run It Back line will be available for professional and collegiate sports teams to use as sustainable souvenir items starting in 2025. This partnership showcases the implementation of circularity for polypropylene items, such as stadium cups and popcorn buckets, aiming to improve recycling efforts through education and best practices. Meanwhile, Redwire secured a contract from Orion Space Solutions to deliver a Mako spacecraft for the U.S. Space Force's Tetra 6 mission. The Tetra 6 mission is an extension of the USSF Air Force Research Laboratory's Tetra 5 mission, for which Redwire is supplying 2 Mako spacecraft. The Mako spacecraft will be the first satellite in geosynchronous orbit to demonstrate compatibility with multiple available refueling mechanisms. These missions are expected to show key capabilities such as cooperative and prepared inspection, docking, on-orbit refueling, proximity operations, and next-generation autonomy techniques that will support future on-orbit servicing capabilities, spacecraft autonomy, and sustained space maneuver. Similarly, StandardAero has signed a definitive 15-year agreement with a major Middle East airline for CFM International LEAP turbofan engine aftermarket services. Under the deal, StandardAero's facility in San Antonio will offer repair and overhaul services for the airline's new generation narrow-body aircraft. The announcement noted that StandardAero supports the LEAP-1A, Airbus A320neo, and LEAP-1B, Boeing 737 MAX, as a CFM LEAP Premier MRO provider, having signed the first non-airline CFM branded service agreement, CBSA, in the Americas for these engines in March 2023. As for Wksp, its subsidiary, Terravis Energy, revealed its new EtherLux heat pump system, which uses proprietary zero-frost technology to eliminate the need for defrost cycles, a common issue with conventional heat pumps. The product line features 3 high-performing models, including the Pro model, and is set to redefine performance standards in the global heat pump market, projected to exceed $148 billion by 2030. EtherLux has been tested successfully operating at temperatures as low as minus 57 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 74 degrees Celsius, and as high as plus 131 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 degrees Celsius. The product line extends the operational lifespan of systems and sustains efficient heating and cooling in extreme environments. For more on Wksp and these other companies, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.